So in the last session, we're trying to do it what exactly? Visualization. We're starting to view visualization. So with what exactly that? Matplotlib. Matplotlib library. So what is in exactly this? As we discussed in the last session, please. So by using matplotlib, we can able to plot the graphs like line graph, bar graph, scatter, and we can able to customize labels, x-axis, y-axis, title, okay, and we can able to save that image into the, we can able to save that visualization into the images also. Okay, so don't we are gonna be start today. So yeah, so what exactly the first step? Please be installed first. The first we need to select which environment. Please be select environment. So that is the base environment we have chosen. Okay, then we need to make sure about it whether we have installed, pip install matplot library. So this environment is still loading. Please wait. Okay, once if it is done, then okay, we need to import that library as a alias name. Matplotlib.py plot as a PLT. Yesterday we have missed this. That's what error. And so matplot inline. So once if it is imported, then we need to import NumPy and pandas also. So import panda as PD, NumPy as what exactly the NP. And we have successfully created a range array by using NumPy array1, array2, two arrays. The range from y-axis, I'm going to be taking the values from 0 to 10. X-axis, I'm going to be taking range from 11 to 21. Make sure about this value should be match. Here is the 10 values. Here also should be 10 values. Okay. You should be same. Okay. Once if it is create these two y-axis variable, x-axis variable, then we need to create a matplot. First one is what exactly? Scatter. Scatter. We want to plotting using matplotlib in matplot. So we have one more one of the function name called scatter. Okay, let me write down comment so we can understand this. So plotting using matplotlib. And one more thing. So we are using PLT. Alias name is what? PLT. What are the functions? Scatter. Okay. So what exactly PLT? PLT. PLT. So what is in exactly? Scatter. What is the function name called? Scatter. In scatter, we should be provide y-axis or x-axis. Y-axis or x-axis. So please provide x comma y. That's it. And please be in execute. You will see this graph. This is an x-axis. This is a y-axis. Clear, all of you? Achut, Aparna, Chetan, Sunny. Any questions, please, up to this point? Guys, please, tomorrow we have a class. Shall we conduct tomorrow class? Before move forward, I'm taking your permission. Shall we conduct tomorrow class, Achit, Aparna, Chetan, Sunny? Will you able to join tomorrow? Tomorrow is very, I need your confirmation, okay? Okay. If you can, willing to join, I can. Okay. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thanks for reply. Fine. So then I want to declare here the name as y-axis. The name I want to see here, the name, label name I want to declare here. Y-axis label I want to declare. X-axis label I want to declare. Sir, how can I please? It's very simple. PLT plot dot x-axis label. PLT dot label name we call exactly x-axis label. The label which you can able to give anything. Maybe I'm gonna be giving x-axis. Any name. But plot y-axis label. So, and please be execute here. See, the label is coming here, x-axis label, y-axis label or not. Tell me. I want to display this purpose. What are the purpose of this diagram? Title. I want to give a title also. Plot dot title. What are the title name, guys, please? The title name is 2D graph. Or 2D graph. Please be execute. See, the title name is what? Exactly the group. Sir, I want to change this graph, this plotting, that's graph. If it is y-axis increase and x-axis increase, automatically it is plotting increasing curve, increasing the dots. If it is increased, the information is gonna be seeing. Okay, but this dots, whatever the plotting, this plot color I want to change. The color, see, the color stand indicates what? See, but I want to change it to the red. R is nothing but what? Red. R is nothing but what exactly the red color. Clear, all of you understood this? It's very easy. The data we can able to visualize it or not, tell me. Sir, one more thing, same. One more thing. One more thing I want to do it. For example, let's say I want to see the curves. Means what? Whatever y information, this information I want to change. So y simply just I want to change. So nothing want to do any information. Guys, please. What happened is visualization is my Visual Studio Code visualized? Yeah. Yeah. Y-axis value into equal to x multiply with x. X multiply with x. Just to be an execute, that means what? Y value has been increased. Y value will be increased. Y value will be increased. Then same, I'm gonna be try to do that. Plot. What is an option, guys? Please plot. Previously use scatter. Previously use what? What is the function? Scatter function, but right now I'm gonna be using plot. See, if it is plot, same value, x comma y, and try to execute. See, the graph is, so it is look like this only or not telling me. But whatever the points, so previously it is dot, either dot or a line only. But I want to plot with the dots also. I want to with the lines, with the line dots and whatever maybe I want to plot. Okay, maybe I want to give dashes, line, style line with dashes. I want to style and width also. I want to change this plotting of this line width also. I want to change the size of the line also. I want to change. Okay, width, length, whatever. Maybe I can able to do it with the plot. For example, let's say I want to change the color as a red. Okay, I can change, but let it be add these two values also. These three values also, let it be try to add it. Let it be copy paste. See, x-axis, y-axis, x-axis, y-axis, and title also added. And one more option, we have a O. We have a plot, and if execute here, we will be get it what exactly the graph here. Dots only. But I want to add a dashes. Between these dots, I want to add a dashes. For this line style, we have a line style equal to dashes. Dashed. If execute here, see, between these dots, the lines are added. I want to change this. I want to change this with line width also. Line width is equal to 3. Yeah, clear? Whatever width we can able to change. You give 5, it is very wider. I don't want that line width. 2 is enough or a 3 is enough. Clear? So this is the way we can able to use plotting. This is the way we can able to plotting. Got it very clearly. So this is the main plot, but can we able to create subplots? Plot we understand, but can we able to create subplots? Yes, we can. We can able to create subplots also. Create a subplotting. We can able to create multiple subplots. So we have a plot dot, we have a subplot. So the function name called subplot. Then dimension we need to create. So 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2. And what is the position of the subplot 1? And please be execute this. So it will be plotting or not, tell me. Yes, it will be plotting subplot. But in this subplot, so in this subplot, okay, I want to create a plot. I want to create a plot, okay, x-axis, y-axis. This is a subplot one. Okay, we can create multiple subplots. So maybe I can create a subplot 1, subplot 2. Just I want to create a plots only. Totally how many plots? 4 plots I want to create it. Got it. This is the first position. It is the second position. It is the third position. It is the fourth position. So please be execute. Totally we created a four thing. Great. Understood. But in this each and every plot, each and every graph, I want to create a plotting. So under this, I want to create plot dot matplot dot. What is the function plot? I want to provide x-axis, y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, I want to plot each and every subplot. So please be execute here. See, can able to create subplots or not? Tell me. Yes, but I want to change the color each and every plot I want to change. So for example, the first one, I want to change it to the red color. The first one, I want to change it to the blue. Blue O means what? Dots. Blue color, dots. Second one, I want to change it to the green with stars. I want to give a green color with star and with lines also. Green color with stars with dashes also. Third one, I want to give red with dashes. Fourth one, I want to give blue and dots only, or yellow with dots. See, understood very clearly how exactly we can able to subplots. Clear all of you. This is what exactly visualization. This is what exactly the visualization. Okay, understood. Clear. Is it perfect? Am I right? Okay. So can we able to create sine wave? Can able to visualize sine wave? Yes, definitely. We can able to go for sine also. We have a function name called sine also. We can able to plot with sine also. For that, we need to create two variables, the x-axis, y-axis. Again, we need to create x-axis. X-axis, we need to give a values. Y-axis also we need to give a values. So, but I'm going to be taking sine and cosine. Okay, for example, let's say NP, we have a numpy, am I right? Numpy, we have py. If we execute py, defaultly we can able to get 0 0.1, 0 0.1, 0 to 0 0.1, the value. This is the default value. Default value. Please keep with this. This is the default value. Whenever execute this, we'll get it. In x-axis, I'm gonna be using np numpy. I'm gonna be giving arrange. 1 second. Arrange the value from 0 to 0 to 4. 0 to comma 4. Okay, it's fine. 0 to 4. And multiplying with what exactly? Multiplying with what exactly? This np dot py comma 0 0.1. Okay, this is what exactly range I'm going to be taking for a y-axis. Sorry, x-axis. Y-axis, I'm going to be taking np dot sine. And title, anything. Plot title, we can able to take anything. So first, let it be create these two variables. One second, something is went wrong. Please wait. Let it be show you 1 second. One second. 1 second. So let it be write down comment to understand very clearly. So we need to compute the x-axis and y-axis coordinates. Coordinates for what? Point on a sine curve. Okay, this is what exactly I want to try to do that. For this, we need to go for, okay. So please use, we need to provide this X value here. Whatever the range, this range also I need to provide here. It will be coordinate each other. Right now, it is successfully executing two values. So it should be coordinate. X and Y coordinate points. That means first we need to create a Y value. The value we need to provide into the sine function. Okay, it is a sine function is a default function. So don't worry about it directly. So with the help of this, we need to create a plot. So we need to create a plot. So we need to provide y-axis, x-axis value. That's it. It will be pointing of sine also. Sine wave also we can, but we need to create. If you want to give a values, definitely we can give a values also. Please bin execute this. Y-axis values, x-axis values. Clear. This is the way we can able to create. And we can able to create bar charts also. We can able to create bar charts also. Bars. So for this we need to create, we need to give a different values. So let it be try to create. So we can able to visualize, but for that we have required a information, the data we need to provide for x-axis, y-axis. So but this time I'm going to be taking array information. I need to create a array value 2 comma 8 comma 10. For what exactly? X-axis. For y-axis, yeah, I can able to take randomly. There is no issue. The list is 11 comma 16 comma 9. This is for what exactly? X-axis. The same way, one more two variables I will be created. X1, X2. X1, Y2, but with the different values. Here is instead of 3, 2 comma 3, it is 9. Here is a 11. Here is a 6. Some random numbers, there is no issue. And here is a 7. Okay, once if it is create this information, let it be plotted with help of this information. I want to plot the bar function. Please be use bar and provide y-axis or x-axis information. So please be execute here. Is it? The bar charts will be created or not? Tell me. And I can able to provide y-axis name, x-axis name. But this whatever the bars, I can able to align also. Alignment also. So but center or right or left we have, we can center. I want to make this what exactly the center. Please make it as a center. Something I have given spelling mistake, I think so. One second. Sorry. Please wait 1 second. I need to give here in the plotting area, not in axis. Is it? So we have in center, I given a y-axis, x-axis. But in this bar, in the same plot, I can pass these two variables also. Let us go for bar. Let us give, let us give, let us give x-axis 2 comma y-axis 2. But if it is an execute, if it is an execute, if it is an execute, see, it will be displayed with a different data. So means what? While bar charts, so this is information 1, information 2. We can compare the first information to second information. Maybe it is two different same, but these are all two competitor information. I can compare maybe years, maybe months different. This is the first quarter information. This is the second quarter of the company revenue, whatever maybe. So previously, if it is the first information is then, so it is reduced. Whatever the growth is reduced, maybe the information is reduced, whatever maybe here. Clear? So if you want to change the color, yes, we can able to change the color also. Maybe I want to change this color as what? Maybe green. I want to change. Let us go for red. Color is equal to R, red. Make it as a red color. So this, I want to change color as what? Green. Clear all of it. We can compare the data. By using bar charts, we can able to compare. Yeah, very clear. Understood this. I want to create a histograms also. So this is a bar charts. We have one more option we have in Matplot, bar charts. So I am going to be creating a variable with numpy called np.array. Manually, I want to enter the data. So in this array, I want to create a random names 22.87 dot or 20 dot 30 43 dot 43 comma 56 comma 73 comma 25 comma, okay, again 20 79 32, different ranges, okay, or 27 again. Okay, so this is information. Okay, so a different information, random numbers, please be take it from 0 to 100. Okay, but I want to create a histogram. Hist and provide the data. So the title I want to give plot dot title. Title name is anything. You can give anything, but I'm gonna be giving histogram and let it be show. Let it be show. Second. So this is we have executed. Pandas numpy also we have. Plot dot show. Built in something. What happened? One second. We have used right functions only. The problem here only. The array should be in, okay, not directly. The array inside a list. Directly we can't list them, right? The list is in array. That's a problem. Yeah, got it very clearly. Understood the problem. What is the problem? Array declaration is different. List is different. Am I right? So this is what exactly list, but that should be in array or not. That's a problem. We have experience already in the last sessions. This is what exactly histogram. Okay. See the range. Okay. The range is 20, 30, 40, 50. But what is the highest range? See, here is 22 is there. 22 is there. 20 is there. 20 again we have, and roughly 27. So most of the values are in range from 20 to 34. 20 to 34, the range is more values. That's what the histogram shows high here. But so 30 to 40, 30 to 40, the values 30 to 40, 43 is only there. But rest everything 30 to 40, 32 is there. But 30 to 40, very less values. That's what it is null. But 40 to 50, 46, 43, 40 something reached there roughly. But about from, again, if we talk about 70 to 80, 70 to 80, 87, 73, 79, 73, okay, more values. Okay. So based on number of values, the range the between the value from 20 to 30, 30 to 40, likewise it will be histogram will be created. How many times? It is a y-axis. How many times? Okay, more information here. Am I right? Histogram will tell you. So the number of numbers, the data between range. Okay, it will be increase. If it is graph, yeah, the color, whatever the color, we can able to change also. I hope you people are understand histogram. Yeah, one more type. We have a pie charts. Pie charts. So let it be write down. Pie charts. So first let it be created data. Label I'm gonna be creating. We have a different kinds of data. First let it be created data. I think all of you following am I right? A data. So labels, labels I want to create, and size, sizes I want to create. Colors, which color for which label I want to create, and explode. Clear. Then data I want to provide labels. Maybe. Okay. So I want to create C Python or AL or AI, C++, This is only labels only. And Java, or maybe Ruby. Python, Java. Okay, whatever the label, please be provide. Then, so the data I want to provide as array 215, 130, 240, 5, comma 210. Okay, between some of these are all at around 800. In 800, in 800, okay, 215 around 50% will be occupied. It is around maybe around 20%. It is around 60, 70%. It is around like so total sum of total dividing as a percentage it will take it. Okay, I will explain one more time. But let us go for colors also. The first one is what exactly the gold, gold color. The second one is what exactly yellowish, yellow green something, light, some color, whatever the random colors, please be light, light color, whatever may be. Some fourth one is light sky blue. The four colors also have successfully given. Okay. Then I want to expose. I'll explain this what is expose also. Don't worry. 0.1, comma 0, comma 0, comma 0. Okay, please provide this information into the pie chart. Create a plotting. Let it be try to create a plot, plot dot pie chart. Okay, provide these are all the data. First size, size, then explode, explodes only. Then label, labels is equal to labels only. Color equal to color. Okay, this is what exactly the charts. And one more thing, the plotting axis equal. Please bin execute this and let it be show. Okay, somewhere else color. Yeah, it is displayed. It is displayed. The problem is what? The plot axis somewhere else I given equal. Yeah, but displaying, but something is most recently latest. Something I given. Okay. Okay, got it. Understood very clearly. Is it understood very clearly or not? So explode is what exactly? If it is increase that, explode, the difference, the gap will increase. This gap will be export from this data. This is separate. A is a separate. Let us go for blue. Am I right? Let us go for light blue better. Execute. See. Clear. Perfect. So let it be keep it is one. Okay, maybe I want to give this last one or else this one. This also I want to separate. I can do this. Okay. Explode means what? The distance between that gap. Okay. So I want to create a shadow also. Under this shadow also I want to create. Yes, I can. So here is I want to create a shadow. So comma with auto PCT is equal to percentage one comma. It is standard. We need to follow it. F percentage. The shadow will be true. How much percentage of shadow will be true? That's it. See here. Execute. See. The shadow will be created with a nice chart, nice pie chart. Clear. So this percentage automatically 16%, 26%, 26%, 30% of exactly this the size, the total size divided by percentage. Okay, maybe total around maybe 800. But in 800, what are the percentage of 215, percentage of the 130, percentage of 245, percentage of 210? Yeah, automatically it will be give a percentage. Okay, got this. This is what exactly the matplotlib. Any questions, please, up to this point? Do you have any questions? Any questions, please? Achut, Aparna, Chetan, Sunny. But so we have a CBON visualization. For visualization, we can able to go for sizzle visualization. But compared to the matplot, CBON is more better views like a 2D, 3D kind of visualization also we can. Okay, so if it is multiple values, as of right now up to here, we are handling only up to this point. So two values, two parameters only, two functions only, y-axis, x-axis. But if it is more than three values, four values,